Hi guys, in this tutorial, I hear many people have problem with when they had to set not any Samsung. Sometimes it says unable to access browser, unable to access browser due to unauthorized factory OSF. How can you solve this problem? I get this problem and I try is it is really 100% works. So what you need to do is firstly you need to download Odin 12, the 3.12. So once you get it, you need to the combination. Download the combination 5, and then after you need to download the firmware. How do I do it? Firstly, I download this Odin 3. Once I finish, I log in. But guys, there's firmware for Samsung and particularly for a specific phone. So when you use the specific one, that's sure what kind of phone do you use. So secondly, what I do, I download this one. You see, N920CXX S3 CQ and key K4. Once I finish, as you can see, that's all the files inside. And then when I try this one, uh, it says failed, and I try to download another one, which is NF20 N920P, and then that's a package. It is about 4 and point 5 gigabyte. That one, if you open it, you can see is something different with the file, but it's the same thing. 5 files inside of it. For Samsung, not the same thing, but the file are different. Once I download this, I tried it and it passed the binary factory, but it says unable to access browser. So what I do next, I go to my Odin 3. As you can see, I use BL. This BL, where do I take it? I take it from not this one. I take it from the other one. I take it from this one. Once I check this BL and I go back to Odin, I take AP. I go to the second files now, this one, and then I take it. As you can see, I take the AP and CP CSC. Guys, let me tell you, it 100% works. You can use it. You're gonna see you will solve your problem. You have in my link. The you have either N20 N920p and N920p CXX. You have both of them. You need just to download Odin 3 and you can try it. You will see how it is works. It works 100%. Guys, if you like the video, if it's helpful for you, I ask you guys to like, to comment, and grab me a coffee. And guys, I hope to see you in the next video. And if your problem is solved, just thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe on my channel. You will get more update. Okay guys, see you in the next video.